Hey there, this is Coach Chris Wilson here in the Criticalbench compound. Today, you are about to see an awesome trap bar only workout. That's right, 5 exercises, all using the trap bar, no other equipment necessary. We're on our turf here in the compound. It's me, Mr. Mike Westerdal, and Coach Tonya Fines. So you see Tonya getting after it. She is on the last exercise in this circuit of trap bar exercises. There's 5 movements, so you're gonna see Mike go through it. We started the workout already. So what rep number count are you on, Mike? 7. So Mike's down to 7 reps for each of the exercises. Notice his form, doing deadlifts, one of our favorite exercises to incorporate into our workouts here. Deadlifts are awesome with the trap bar, so if you don't like them with a barbell, use a trap bar, great option there. Mike is now doing a farmer's carry or farmer's walk from one end of the turf to the other. This is movement number 2. Holding his shoulders back, good posture the whole length. He goes right into shrugs without putting the weight down. Good form there. Again, keep that rigid spine, hold yourself in good position. Mike's now changing to a fat grip on this multi-grip trap bar, going into a push-up. The push-ups are a little extra hard because the grip on this trap bar can rotate. See Mike's position, hips are up, body is straight as a plank, perfect push-ups there. And now he's into his last movement, which is the mountain climber, 7 reps here. So a ladder style is any way you want to do it. You can start with a ladder, you can start with a low number and work up, or you can start with a higher number and work down. We started with 10 reps and we're working all the way down to 1. And our rest period is waiting for the next guy to go or girl to go. As I said, deadlifts, one of our favorite exercises here at the compound. In fact, we made a program that it really targets the deadlift as one of the best and key exercises to building both strength and size. I know you're gonna wanna check that program out, so go down to the pinned comment below, click that link, and you will find out more about anabolic aftergrowth, which is a really terrific muscle building program that we've made. And so we're gonna get back to the workout. I gotta do my set. You're gonna see some highlights, and I'll check you on the other end of this workout. All right, we've gotten down to 1. So you're gonna watch Mike do his very last round of this. He whispered in my ear that he's probably gonna do something a little extra special for you too. I don't know what that might be. He started with his single deadlift, just 1 rep, still walking the length of the turf. Finishing with a shrug, boom. Down to 1 push-up followed by a mountain climber.
How do you do a mountain climber?
Just 2. Each leg, that's it. Oh, we got a bonus move.
I don't know if I can do it.
Yeah, might be a little bit on the, oh boy.
Nah.
I think the bonus move might have been a little something extra complicated, so we're gonna stay safe today. Yeah, never mind. I gotta come up with a bonus move? I'll think. All right, so here I go. I'll go back to the fat grip. I could do a burpee. So I got my one deadlift. Boom, okay? Good posture. Shoulders are back, abs are tight. Eyes are on the horizon. Get all the way down. One good shrug. Down. Push-up position, heels together. And a single mountain climber. Good. What's my, I guess Mike wants a burpee from me, so I'll go down, I'll jump. Oh, jump, I gotta jump into it. Okay, all right, here we go. Down, here, jump, and jump. There we go. There's my burpee trap bar exercise. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this trap bar workout. Give this one a go. Be creative. You can do some other exercises that we did not do today with the trap bar. There's lots of great activity you can do with that. It's a full body workout, 55 reps for all your exercises, repping 10 down to 1. You're getting a lot of good walking in, time under tension with a good amount of weight. Don't go too heavy with this routine. Pick a moderate load. Don't forget, if you want a good workout that's really robust, that works on muscle size and strength, scroll down to the pinned comment. You will not be let down. Lots of really good insight on that link. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, leave us a comment or question about this workout, and we'll see you in the next workout here at Critical Bench. Later.